Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Let's continue with the lesson bird watching. Today we are going to do exercise number A, which is given on page number 49 in your English reader book. हमने इस lesson को 2 बार read किया है, and if you have not understood the lesson well, I recommend you watch my video of lesson reading and explanation once again. Now let's do this question. Complete the following using the words given in the help box. हमें ये fill-ups help box में से words लेकर complete करने हैं. Now I am going to read these words. आप भी मेरे साथ इन words को read करो. Patience means सब्र. Bird watching मतलब bird को watch करना. Hunters शिकारी. Birdman fond of मतलब पसंद होना. Traveled घूमना. Birds हम पंछी को कहते हैं. Bird watcher जो bird को watch करता है. Now let's do these fill-ups. Dr. Salim Ali is called the Birdman of India because he was extremely fond of birds. He made bird watching a very interesting hobby. मतलब उन्होंने bird watching को एक interesting hobby बनाया. He traveled all over the world to study different types of birds. He spread his knowledge of birds and fought to save them from किससे birds को बचाने के लिए कोशिश किया, संघर्ष किया? Hunter. You can be a bird watcher. आप एक bird watcher बन सकते हो if you have a lot of patience. Now children, do this exercise in your book itself.